Hi, I'm Rebecca Vran, and I just got a new Avenco mattress. I reached out to them after researching the internet because I really love their mattress and I really love the price. Let me tell you why I got this. Well, I had a complaint. Guests came and stayed, and they did not have a good stay because they could not sleep, because they said that the bed was all dented. I couldn't believe it because I even had a 3-inch foam mattress pad on top. So I had to investigate. And yes, indeed, there is a divot here and there is a divot here. I have rotated this mattress back and forth in every which way, and there still are divots. It's like the tide in the ocean with the divot here and here. It's high here. It's just a mess. It was time to replace this. I don't want any complaints from my friends that come to stay with me. The Avenco is a memory foam mattress, but it's not just a memory foam mattress. It's an optimized ergonomic layered gel memory foam mattress. The gel memory foam layer is for slowly adjusting to your body and your weight and your temperature. The Avenco has a proprietary unique full form system, and it's designed to keep my body perfectly balanced no matter what position I'm laying in or sleeping in or moving in. It's going to adjust to right where my body forms. It's going to hold my spine in a straight position, which is really great when I'm sleeping. And it also makes sure my hips don't sink too far into the foam. It has strength to keep them up so my spine will be aligned. That's because the interior of the mattress is made with individually wrapped coils, and that's for motion isolating. I spend a lot of time on my bed. In fact, I do a lot of work on my bed. I like to sit on my bed, drink my water, and work on my computer. Those wrapped coils make it so I don't even spill my water. So it's not just a hybrid mattress, but also a motion isolation mattress. It has independent pocketed inner springs that make it a hybrid mattress. And all that memory foam and those coils make it so there's such comfort and support, because what's really important is a good night's sleep and to wake up with great energy. And I loved how it came right to my house. It arrived in a box, so I hoisted the box on top of my mattress. You could have had this on any kind of platform of bed or on the floor. It doesn't matter. This is just what I had in my room. So I took it out of the box. There actually was a helper on the other side. And inside the box was a special envelope. And I opened the envelope, and it came with this little easy tool to open the mattress and cut the plastic. It also came with information all about the mattress, including the setup. It told me about the 100-night guarantee on the mattress and other interesting things about Avenco and why this mattress is so special. So I got to work taking all the plastic off. That was really fun. I was unwrapping the plastic from the outer edges. It's a surprise like snakes in a can. And I unwrapped and I unwrapped. I'm centering it. I think it's pretty good. And now I'm using a little tool they gave me to get it out of the bag. Oh, it's breathing. This is so fun. It's going to take 72 hours to get its full size. But I'd say it's like 90% there. And I unwrapped and I unwrapped. And it was about a minute or two of unwrapping. Voila! And I flipped it over with the help of my friend because it was upside down. Who knew? And now the real test. How does it feel? It feels great. This is a king size, so there's plenty of room to roll around. It is so comfortable. It has great give, but it's not too much where I'm going to spill my coffee if I'm drinking my coffee in bed. It is cushy and luxurious. Time to go night-night. It's nap time somewhere. And let's say this glass was a person. I wouldn't have disturbed him. The water never spilled. And cheers to that. This mattress is great. I love it. It's a foam style mattress. And if I had wanted to return it, I could. They even have a return policy. That's really easy. You wouldn't think so, but it is. I love my new mattress. Click the link below to get your Avenco mattress. They're very reasonably priced, which is another reason why it's great, especially for my guest room. I'm so excited to have this mattress for my next set of guests. And even if they have kids, 3 little monkeys jumping on a bed, one fell off and bumped his head. You know how kids are. They're going to run around and jump on the mattress, but the Avenco mattress is sturdy enough to even uphold some rambunctious kids. I'm Rebecca Brand. Subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified of my next video. And let's keep making great recipes in life, like tonight's recipe for a good night's sleep with the Avenco mattress. Good night. Night-night. And if you like this video, here's some more I think you're going to like too.